Okay, it's Wednesday, July 12th. I just bought some Coinbase 90 puts here at 474, starting to move up nicely here. I bought it here when I saw this kind of two up, two down on the 15-minute chart into this 15-minute bar as it was heading lower, and I was expecting to take out the lows of the day, so we just did that. Now we'll see if we get the continuation. You can see there's a whole bunch of inefficient pricing here that it could fill in on the downside. The stock's sometimes tricky to trade, but I'm going to finally call for a bit of a top and a pause here on this one. We had the big green day yesterday, which on the weekly chart took out two major targets up here, and now we're kind of in a position to possibly, fail on the week and start lower into next week. Or if nothing else, we're just going to get an orderly pause before we likely head higher. So that means a little lower price in the short run. On the daily bar, we're just inside but heading lower. So we could still head to the midpoint of this bar, a little bit lower. The key here now is after we took out this intraday low, which was kind of the expected move here, you could really scale out and set up a no-risk trade, or you can try to be aggressive and see if we just kind of hold this area and then not really rally much up above this big red bar and start a little lower into some of these targets down here. You can see there's a lot of room to run if it wants to head lower. But we're just going to find out. So I'm willing to take a chance that in this case we kind of pause in here, we take that out, but don't really rally too much and then start making another push lower. And then I want to see how this red bar ends up on the day, and maybe what develops by the end of the week. We get kind of a weekly failure after reaching its big picture target. So I'll see what happens here. If it could just make pause in here and make one push down, then I think it could end up being a really nice trade. So we'll see if Coinbase continues lower on the day.